aha Kama Studios abusia awo send bi asi we Ashanti region michimu Kumasi mpatamu wo na abusia trotro drivers no when it gets to early late night in late mufancha me abusia mo enkatwi na brofo no TTI se jack ni jump point abusia ya hye dante brofo sa ai ukopiem Kumasi ni mpatamu ansa adesa finding a trotro is very difficult, and if you find some the fees ana mo gino ai 20 friend Lorry friend abusia ye double no sansa ade asa nti wunya ka onu woginam nti wo se do fi no odobo ne sabe bi asie we Kumasi passengers etika mu na the fare is for the 50 pesos but driver ne say ade asa to beje mo 10 cedis The passengers refuse to pay the 10 cedis and then the driver returned them back to where he picked these passengers. Hi, Kama Studios. We have the videos here. We are going to play it for you guys. Subscribe to the platform and share this amazing video to your friends, to your loved ones. No, we are going to share the experience in the comment section. Now, the story is very simple, as I said in the intro. Very, very simple. So, go pim ye metropolis na bushia emua. Baby a trotro ye adwuma no sa adesa anasa anopa. Trotro for no ebia fair no 350 pesos and 2 cedis 5 cedis say ekobo anajo 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock na unya trotro at that fair. The price will be increased because the thing say that night in wakwa hochirim uye danya untimi perform nkofie, you have to pick the trotro and the fees they double it. Eba na zato na di kasa na etwoma mentwe wenchi bia de aba. Sabe Kumasi same thing happened. Passengers Africa na fare it was supposed to be 450 pesos na or the passengers no ko Abuakwa. But what's the idea sent you beje mo 10 Ghana cedis and the passengers refused to pay the money or send the omoko we bia or form no na uzu say passengers ni sisi no passengers no say driver no so no obu omo yenko video ni eba wa share your experience and in the comment section.
Why are you, bra? Don't man, why are you? Don't man, you. Why are you? Don't man, wait. I'm so what is going? Wait. Double money.